Welcome to my video on habitable exoplanets, yay! Now, you may be wondering, what is an exoplanet? How is it different to a normal planet? Well, the difference is that an exoplanet is outside our solar system, whereas a normal planet is just within our solar system. Now, how could any exoplanet be habitable? Well, a planet's habitability is relative to its distance from the star it is orbiting. If it is too close to the star, it will be way too hot to sustain life. Any water would also evaporate, making it impossible to live on. And if it is too far away from the star, it will be way too cold for humans to live and thrive, and any water there would be frozen and not liquid. But if it is in the middle, in the area called the habitable zone, there is a chance that liquid water could be there. It would also have to be the right temperature for humans to sustain life and thrive on. It would be physically possible to live on any exoplanet without liquid water. That is why it is such a valuable and essential resource for humans. Now, NASA is not certain whether there is liquid water there or not, but we have certainly found some planets in which are in the habitable zone relative to the star. They are in the middle, as you can see, the TRAPPIST-1 system and the Kepler-22 system. There are planets that are within the middle distance of the star, and NASA is not sure whether there is liquid water there or not. So they will be conducting further investigations to find out whether these planets may be housing humans in the future. But in the possible near future, there is a pretty high chance that humans will be living on Mars. It has been discovered that there is in fact liquid water on Mars. Such a discovery will usher in a new generation of humans that will be colonizing Mars in the near future. Who knows, maybe in 50 or 60 years' time, you may be living on Mars. How exciting! Despite all this, Earth is the only planet that we'll be able to breathe on without a special suit. Earth is the only planet we know of with trees on its surface, and trees produce oxygen, and without oxygen, we won't be able to breathe. So, in the future, we may be colonizing other planets, but we'll always have to wear suits as to live on those planets. And so comes to an end my Habitable Planets video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you are informed and have learned something new about the planets we may be living on in the future.